Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team in our second video in a series of the budget trail rig for seat cover here, which happens to be a 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we picked up real cheap for her. So last video we went through all of the safety requirements for the tech inspection for the trail ride, and we kind of skipped over a couple of them, one of them which we're going to address now, and that was the what?
Secure place to hook.
Okay, so this Grand Cherokee that we have doesn't have any front tow hooks on it, and it doesn't have a rear trailer hitch. So we're going to install that today.
But I didn't order a rear trailer hitch.
Well, yeah, but I did.
When? Without telling me?
Well, yeah.
But I wanted to pick it out.
This one will work just fine.
Ooh. Let me
So,
open it.
Open the box. See what we got here.
Woo.
Okay. There we go. Looks like it bolts up to the unibody in a couple of spots. This trailer hitch is supposed to specifically fit this application. Okay, take the plastic off and see if we got any hardware with it. Let me get you a knife.
Knife.
So we got a little bit of hardware and some instructions.
Yep.
So it looks like we take the back 3 bolts out on one side. Well, actually this bolt isn't there, it's just a threaded hole. So the back 2 bolts out on that side and the back 2 bolts out on that side. All right, let's do that. Okay, and then the back one?
I can't get on it straight.
Okay, let's take a look. Oh, well, the bumper's in your way, and not only that, it looks like we got some structural damage here. This corner's been pushed in a little bit. Ooh, that's going to make the trailer hitch not fit correctly. Well, take the bolt out first and we'll see what we have to do about that. Here's a swivel to allow you to get on it, so take that socket off. Thank you.
For me, please.
All right, all the bolts came out. That's great.
Well, what are we going to do about that problem?
Well, this is a budget rig, so we certainly don't want the expense of pulling the subframe or the unibody back into place. I think what our best bet is to measure how much it's changed and drill a new hole in the trailer hitch for mounting. So our distance from the existing hole that hasn't moved that we're going to use to the hole that we do need to use that moved out of place looks to be about 6 7/16 inches. So if we measure 6 7/16 from this back mounting hole that hasn't moved in the center, right there, and drill a new hole, that'll be our easiest fix. Okay, we'll center punch that. Wind up with the other holes. Do a pilot hole. Oops, it's walking on me a little bit. Where's that center punch one? Okay, now we gotta drill it out bigger. That'll be big enough. Alright, a little bit of never sees on these bolts. Why don't you hand me the other ones there? Okay. Now, if I hold the hitch up there, can you get the bolts started?
I can try.
Okay. Oh, okay. You ready?
Yep. You go for me, I will do.
It started?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nope.
Is that a little better?
Yes.
Started?
Yes.
Okay. Grab the other bolt.
This one fell out.
All right, we got all the bolts started. You can go ahead and tighten them up. Till they stop. Okay, now the other back one, since you have the swivel, on the other side. And then we'll go to the straight socket so you have more leverage. The very back one. All right, let's tighten up the other two.
That good?
Yeah, keep the wrench on there straight, pull the trigger. That's good. Now this one. Okay. Other side. Okay, let's tighten up the last bolt. Keep going. Oh, that's good. Okay, so you got a nice new receiver hitch for a tow point on the back of the Grand Cherokee now. What we need to do is we need to put one of these in there.
All the way back.
Yeah. Just like that. Okay. Wonderful. Now we got to worry about a tow point on the front.
I was doing researching.
Oh yeah? Well, no front factory tow hooks, and boy, this is going to be a little tough. It'd be nice if we could get rid of this whole plastic bumper and put a real one on.
Well, I found one.
Oh, you did, huh? How much?
Well, it's only $897 with shipping and handling.
$897, boy, that more than doubles the budget in our budget trail rig here. I don't think so. I think we might have to do a little searching, see what else we can find. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video where we figure out what we're going to do about front tow points to get our budget trail rig to pass trail tech. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you out in the woods.